Lesson 29: AI Trends for the Coming Years. The labor market, as we know it, is on the verge of a profound transformation. This is not a gradual shift. It is a dramatic upheaval driven by rapid advancement in AI capabilities. While past technological changes required generation to adapt, today, within just a few years, we are witnessing a gap emerge between what machines can do and the human capabilities they are replacing or enhancing. Which professions will disappear? Which will be redefined? And which roles might be strengthened by AI? To understand the depth of this change, we must begin with key realization. This revolution is not limited to manual labor. In the past, automation replaced drivers, factory workers, and cashiers. Now, AI is entering areas once thought exclusive to humans: writing, translation, design, editing, legal analysis, emotional support, engineering, and even scientific research. Models like GPT-5, Claude, and DeepSeek are already writing code, summarizing medical papers, crafting marketing strategies, and matching candidates to job openings in seconds. This is not just about speed. It's about quality that increasingly rivals, and in some cases, exceed human performance. The term intelligence explosion describes a scenario where machine intelligence improves not incrementally, but experimentally, reaching a point where the system can improve themselves, develop advanced versions of themselves, and autonomously expand their capabilities. This process, expected to occur in the next decade, will reshape the job market entirely. Traditional roles will vanish, and new ones will emerge and disappear at an unprecedented pace. Despite concerns, it is important to emphasize AI does not necessarily replace people, it replaces tasks. Workers who know how to integrate AI into their daily workflows will thrive. New roles already emerging such as prompt engineer, organizational intelligence manager, or AI ethics specialist. In the near future, we will see more and more roles that combine basic technological understanding with traditional knowledge domains, from legal advising to personalized medicine. Israel, as a nation with a strong tech sector, stands at a critical crossroads. On the one hand, it has major advantage due to its innovative startups, strong academia, and dynamic market. On the other hand, global powers are rapidly developing independent AI infrastructures. A notable example is DeepSeek, a Chinese initiative aimed at creating a ChatGPT-like system with full control over its data and languages. Other countries, including India, French, and Russian, are developing their own systems. Why does this matter? Because the data that trains an AI models influence its biases, values, language, and cultural assumptions. An Israeli organization relying on a model aligned with foreign priorities may face issues of accuracy, security, and cultural fit. Promoting independent systems, supporting local industry, and building open infrastructure are not just matter of technological sorority. They are essential for long-term business continuity. We must also recognize the current saturation point of language models. Over the last decade, improvement was driven by ever larger datasets, but high-quality textual data is now limited. Much of the internet is already included in training corpora. Going forward, progress will depend less on data volume and more on creative models and new learning techniques. This is a turning point. AI will rely less on what it has seen and more on what it can infer. This shift requires deeper reflection on the ethical and political implications. A newly emerging field is political intelligence, the ability of AI systems to understand, analyze, and operate in domains of influence, regulation, propaganda, and social dynamics. This goes behind political data analysis. It includes participation in politics, message crafting, shaping public opinion, and making decisions based on ethical or value-based goals. As AI systems become actors in public discourse, understanding their context, value, and impact becomes increasingly critical. And for us as workers, one personal question remains. Are we ready for a changing job market? Are we continuing to learn? Are we striving to understand new capabilities and be among those leading the change, rather than reacting to it too late? In the next lesson, we will explore deeper questions. Can AI think, feel, or make moral decisions? And should it or can it be taught to do so?